All right, Lorraine. So we're going to go ahead and close this
Where
folder.
is it?
Again, you won't see it. It's
Oh,
happening on my screen. Okay, so the
okay.
first
Now I
thing,
see
what
it.
you want to do is you want to open up that Windows folder, okay?
Okay, the yellow folder.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
Now
Now
we
you want to go
search.
into videos.
That's right. Did I pass it up?
Well, it's on the left side, and you can also scroll down on the right side, either way.
There it is.
Then you want to go into the mother folder.
Yep.
Now find that big pink DVD image on there. Double
There it
click on it.
is.
All right. Now, the next step is for you to put your next blank in there and shut that tray.
Okay, I don't put it in there until I get to that point. Is that it?
You could do it either direction, but I think this makes the most sense. Get it to the screen where you're ready to burn and then put your disc in.
Okay. Okay.
And then once you close it up, we'll wait for Microsoft to again tell us that we got a disc in there. All right, so it did this because we're already burning a disk. So in the black screen, you hit the X on, and this one you hit cancel.
Okay.
All right, great. So at this point, we've got a blank disk in there. We're ready to go. Go ahead and click on that burn DVD button.
Okay.
You make sure that the burn radio is the one that's highlighted. It is. So you click start, and then you wait until you
There we
get to
go.
finished, and you're done at that point.
Mhm.
Easy peasy, right?
Right.
All right.
I'm going to try to do a lot of them pretty soon before I forget.